Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to install an operating system on a computer in a simple and clear way. If you are new to computers or just curious about how the process works, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to install an operating system successfully and confidently on your computer. When we talk about installing an operating system, we are basically preparing a computer to function by giving it the software foundation it needs to run programs, manage hardware, and handle all the tasks you do on it daily. An operating system acts as the bridge between you and your hardware. Examples of operating systems include Windows, Linux, macOS, and many others. Without an operating system, a computer is just a collection of hardware that cannot do much on its own. The first step in installing an operating system is deciding which one is best for your needs. For example, if you want a user-friendly experience with lots of software compatibility, Windows might be the right choice. If you are looking for an open-source and customizable platform, Linux could be ideal. For those who are Apple users, macOS is a natural option. Choosing the right operating system depends on what you want to achieve, the type of computer you have, and your level of comfort with technology. After you have chosen the operating system, you will need the installation media. This can come in the form of a bootable USB drive or a DVD containing the operating system files. Most people today use a USB drive because it is faster, more reliable, and easier to create. You can download an official image file, known as an ISO, from the website of the operating system you are installing. Then, you can use a tool such as Rufus or Etcher to create a bootable USB. Once you have the installation media ready, the next step is to set your computer to boot from it. This usually requires you to enter the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings of your computer. You can access this by restarting your computer and pressing a specific key such as F2, F10, DEL, or ESC, depending on your system. From there, you can set the boot order so that your USB drive or DVD comes first. This tells the computer to start the installation process from your chosen media instead of the hard drive. When the system boots from the installation media, you will see a setup screen for the operating system. The installer will guide you through the process, asking you to choose your language, time zone, and keyboard settings. After that, you will be asked to select the hard drive or partition where you want to install the operating system. Be careful here, because formatting or deleting a drive will erase all data on it. Always make sure you have backed up important files before continuing. At this stage, the operating system will begin copying files, expanding them, and installing the necessary system components. Depending on your hardware speed and the operating system you are installing, this process may take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. During installation, your computer may restart several times. Do not interrupt the process. Just let it finish, and eventually you will be guided to set up your username, password, and preferences. Before I continue, let me quickly say something very important. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss my next video. Like, share, and comment on this video so that others can learn how to install an operating system too. Also, turn on notifications so you can always be the first to get my new tutorials. After the installation completes, the system will boot into your fresh new operating system. At this point, you should install essential drivers to make sure your computer hardware functions properly. For example, graphics drivers, sound drivers, and network drivers may need to be updated. Most modern operating systems automatically detect and install the necessary drivers, but it is always a good idea to check the manufacturer's website for the latest updates. Once your drivers are ready, you can proceed with system updates. Updates are crucial because they provide security patches, bug fixes, and improvements to keep your computer running smoothly. Never skip updates because they help protect your system from security risks. After that, you can begin installing software applications, customizing your desktop environment, and making the computer truly yours. Installing an operating system may sound complex at first, but when you break it down into steps, it becomes much easier. Remember that preparation is key. Know which operating system you want, create the installation media, set your boot device, follow the installer, and finalize by installing drivers and updates. With patience and care, anyone can learn to install an operating system on a computer. In conclusion, installing an operating system is like giving life to a computer. It transforms it from a silent machine into a powerful tool that can perform tasks, run applications, and connect you to the world. Once you understand the process, you will not only save money by doing it yourself, but also gain valuable technical knowledge that will help you troubleshoot and manage computers in the future. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss my next video. Like, share, and comment on this video because your support helps me create more valuable tutorials for you. Also, turn on notifications so you can always stay updated with my latest content, and thank you so much for watching this video.